Enuntina common sense family for ebusa. Yeshishani ahwe no kra no. Ye bom ni apɛ the right place ni nyina yakɔ. Enti ye ba ne si ye ka so baabi a wo ma wadwen na hɔ a. Enka sɛ ye abonsamfo. Da bi oni na hɔ nkyerɛ sɛ bonsam. Misi baabi a wo busa question mu na hɔ. Oba de boy ye na tie ba ko pɛ o ma ye nyina. Obi a obi sabi obi a wabɔ amra no obi ɛyɛ adwene. The wabɔ amra no tada utimu say yes wa yadie bi ɛsɛ sɛ adwene somehow yema. Enti sɛ fo ya tena se ɛyɛ nkomodidie ɛnyɛ ntɔkwa mesra wo ɛnyɛ ntɔkwa nya bufuo. Utie yɛ amenka sɛ nkrofo no yɛ sɛ mi no. Yɛ sɛ sɛ fo se nyankopɔn wɔ hɔ. Okay, ye hu ne da. By the Bible, kasa kyerɛ nipa bi. By the idea, yeah, I have pet me nipa 1,000 nim. Was me nkwan na Awurade akasa kyerɛ me. Eja was ye hwehwɛ Awurade. Ye na say ye dey. Na common sense for se da bi. Ye ba ye na ye hu anua. Ye hu sɛ ye nua hia moa. Ɛtɔ da ye nua hia tade obɛhyɛ. Ye nua kura na bi aduane obedi kɛkɛ. Na ye nua bi hia bi. Enti dia na wose ye ena common sense family for say yema adwene no enya dwuma yenhwe na yenye nipa so adwuma se wonya sika na se obi sika ne ti asori dem se uyima sofo ye nyame adwuma me ka kire wo fasika ne bi adwuma na fa obi a oye mobo na onya adwuma ne bi na tua ne ka na ne nsa nkɔ na no na sa nipa no se nyame bi wo ba bi a ɛda obedi di obɛme no obɛka sɛ nipa ɔma mi nya adwuma ye na mi sraw consent for si ani ha si abesom nyame ɛno na ɔmo ka aya na nipa ni bi nti ase na mo ɔmo se common sense for si nyame ni hɔ common sense for nka se nyame ni hɔ but common sense for si ye ni ha sɛ ye abesom nyame na mmom ye wa ha sɛ ye abesom ye ankasa ye ho enti ma me nsom wo na wo nso som me odokwan so a Christopher Bible cracker says service to mankind is service to God. Enti Yesu say men kan kire Christopher mu tie me awiei a mo se common sense for ka say sumunua enti wo se common sense ni ye bonsam common sense ni say hwe na siesie oman a utim because otwere konkro ni say wonyi nyame so mpa firi wa ahunidie na wo ho hwe ba bia sofo ukogina priti untimi nka hwasem ugina gata bia ni mo hwe ho kankan hwe se de gata ni msitie na uka kire obi so obekọ heaven obi so to oto aduane mo obi eye yare ene ye bọ ho dawuru ye ma dwene nya adwuma ye hu se ne ebesiesie ye man eti Yesu si men kan kire Kristofo a etie mawie yi se emire bi bedu mo ba roshe mo ba Jesus ho obeka mu free ne so nko mo a oni mo anya ne tene eti mu free me so nko ena mo beka chense ye do din shankom that Jesus me de udin tonum me na me just so dem tonum no obeka kire no okan se unka Bible no nti me kan se wa dwen o se enye de Bible num na me kan wasi obeka kire se free ne so ko wa o ye de entene o se obeka kire se ebra okoda afiase wa mehwe no ekomode no wa ma na duane Yesu se me nka kire se wa ba ho abesre duane wa pam no wotu ya bodamfo edumfo de ani mani ni osi obeka kire se da okoda yaresabia wa mehwe no anza sofo ne nka kire mu Yesu okoda yaresabia wo he enti ho ena mo beka se Christ da bei na okoda yaresabia ya chi utumu da bei no abesre maduane Yesu enka me de mi wanyina amama unu asemo kan osi se wanya ma unua no wanya ma me enti wuni ha enti Yesu se onipa ba na ma say yen som no na emom obeye dai oba besom ye enti Yesu say okachire na suafo no say me kosoro me maja ene mo maja ne nchen tie mi ye o papa wo emma enum ya na o papa baako ne baba ko nko atimi be superior emma nan aka mo besom ne baba ko no mu nyina mo kabom enum no na mo asom mo papa no enti Yesu say okosoro eho na onu Yesu no naja eni yen ye wa ha no yen so yeja enti yensum ye nuanom onua wo hu kire mu no bo ano wate o mai na hutim na nia manya no ka wate no the politicians ye yet politicians edru 7 December ebo mu be se bia no ya dwene mu bo omo se bo ma ye hu se no omo betima bibi but obetena so wi a no aka kira wo se nyankopon ansi dan no a odansifo ye kwa nyankopon firi na ba besi dan monka ade bia ye bia no eye yanya ene ye beye si ebe ma aha aye ewiase papa unim sa no mienu ebetima yiboni afiri ho se me ka kira wo se me nya we usu nya we esum no na titi mu o enne Madam Moro Farouk Adomfe obe preaching na wiye yi but me tie the cause Christians were attacking him.
Okay.
Why? No common sense ni ka cho say ma wa dwenya djuma because akwase broni wa smart.
Yeah.
One person mi no mienu ye be ye baako.
Maybe.
Nti o ma create son enom dia babu emu. Enam say yen yesi agi niam di nti. Sa esom na wura yen mu sa ama sesei. Ya hu atamfo. Tiamiye ya hu atamfo. Ghana fo mienu. Baako ye nkramoni, baako ye kristoni. Kramoni be preachia, kristoni be take no. Kristoni be preachia, kramoni be take no. Aden. Mon so musi na me baako na mo so no. Enti nyankopon baako, wama we mra we. Anu wama we mra we. Emra kro na nyankopon baako de ama mu mienu no. E contradict e ma mu ntimi nya baako. Papa be na be wo sa amai. Papa be. Common sense for some mama ni na wo. Ya wo ya de tete ya ni esua. Ni anim kasa. Ni anim question busa. Ni anim dwene. Eti ya wo na. E de ba wo na hwa na wo pepepe ya se ya do kwa na ase asori. But school ya be ma wo enfie ama wa dwene na start se ya adwuma. Wo te kasa, utimi kasa. Ansa ni am wo school. Eno kra no wo koduru ba bi a uwie. But ya de religion tetew free wonkwala ase unwie da unim kasa kopem da ubewie kasa. What a wow. Enti in your life so unyini na oba believe the word believe didi no there is no proof. Christians, Muslims omuni proof bia. All their proofs are in their books and their reality. Ya damasi ofa ya atenase djuma ko bia hodo na aso ya sene aye di djumadi Ibrahim Maria Guest House e wokono akranche besa da ba bi papa utu kwan na se wo da ko da ba bi asundue wo Maria Guest House e na me kanfo e de amount men ko da ba bi na kina bi wo be so na oni amani ho esrew pachewa enkoda ba bi ade be che na wo niam eni ho ba bi ho a be ko ye be bonuma ye deda hawa da bi ko ba bi a ho ye fe ho ye cool ye wo edan papa wo mpa papa e wo ho Maria Guest House na me kamfo e de ma ye wo konongo akrante be sa frɛ ye huma we na je ebuku kran sana waba ba bi a wo firi a wo ba bi a wo de wuduru konongo a wo se akrante be sa pe ba bi pakoda ho na me kamfo de ama frɛ Maria Guest House mpanifo ewo amawi so 0542 sorry 0554 0554 233 115 0554 233 155 Maria Guest House Ebeje Uso. Make a full peace maker electricals ena ede amount. Me ba chow o dan na usi no. Pe obi a owo certificate na me wo amount aban amani tumi. Peacemaker electricals ena make am for the amount. Aban amani tumi enti se owo ya ofie ni ma wa. Obetumi agina so age meter the amount simple. Owo bra wo mre wo moka enkwaye mo obi nkwaju sika ni. Ansa ye doom light a nkwa no anya half current. I know be permanent anya amount. Mr. Peacemaker electricals. O ya kwada upese wusua sa adwuma ya. Ye wo ye gye nkwada e wo na so ye o gye nkwada wo ma so ye. Oba nso na sa wo pe baabi ada, baabi a wo beda nso e wo ho. Ubenya baabi ada. Peacemaker electricals. Owo Konongo Freetown DSP Road no. Oni Lady Dina fie no na edi enhwe anim. For Peacemaker electricals o penikese a oda ano e wo ahoma we so 0244 15 okay 0244 15 4720 0244 15 4720 na empenifo ebeje oso make am for Levelsman Architectural Consult ena ede amount we be a opesa ususu asase peni papa nunko su asase na we fo bia koma ho akambia ne ade israel asena wo no mo bi papa nsusu ma Levelsman Architectural Consult na make am for the amount we obi a opesa o draw plan na wo sifi papa ya draw plan na ma bibia bam bon bibia bam na fili israel nti for Levelsman e bia opesa wo ye painting wasifie no pe painting kama uni how so we dey na painting na uni how kra fabra na yenye adwuma no emfa emma kama design ahodo bia ope bia o edan mu de e Levelsman Architectural Consult ena e kafo e amount o kwano mu oduma se Asante Atom Central one Ghana water no ene di enhwanimu wetima afre Levelsman Architectural Consult in 24 ewo ahoma we so 0541 374 442 0541 374 442 ye jenkwada nso o ya so ye ti so pese usua ekwan na edawo edi amount bra ne besua na ebeboa me kan for Cali Handiworks na edi amount Cali Handiworks California Cali Handiworks se uyo bia o pe bag se o pese yemfa ye ha enema yenye African wear o pe African wear e sewa obi behu say yes you are truly Africaner Mr. the number we Cali Handiworks bag o pese design bag ma yenye diem yenye mpabo ama wa uni how ade a ye de tutu yensa na ekom na wo pa o de ya ne se o be frɛ Cali Handiworks baabi a wo bia de ohia bia de bebro ye wo Konongo ene ye wo frɛ Cali Handiworks 0546 563828 0546 563828 Cali Handiworks o se bra won se esi o na ahonye fe why obe se esi o ma ho efe ofa atena se na ye hwe ne start na ye de aka ne beto aso
okay
why ye sre nyankopɔ ya aduma ye start ye no next week na ye bosome na so nti CSF fo ni nyina backup mon sorry na ye nhwe na ye hu na se next month ye besa to aso ye hu se ye hu ne ye sra mu CSF fo mon hwe na mon sponsor movement no na ye ntimi fan sempa emrew okay Chebos Ventures okay mema wo de eno na to aso ama me on nti ya na wo de eno na to aso ama next week na ma ye ni nyina bom ye mo bi bia kwa ba time with Common Sense Family CSFR wo betimi do message aba na ya kenkan the amount 0542 917041 0542 917041 either WhatsApp and text message Andy the Godfather, Kings Radio Head of Sports. Mama Chow and then Emery, one of Master Richard Tete. And himself, Muchi, you are the pa. Bobza Babidu, Tanahaya, Babidu. Abia,
yeah,
Aquaba,
yeah, I mean,
baby, I'll free.
Hoboko, also,
Biaboko,
okay,
Aquaba.
yeah,
Meaning the over can afire time, no, can be your listeners now. Yeah, Brian and I start soon.
yeah. At if for Muti and let's say we be out, maybe both in Amako Freetown, a Demo Live or Jobless Information Center.
Jobless Information Center.
Yeah, Demo Live.
Oh, okay, yeah,
Freetown for
Yanchel here.
18, na ada Jobless and so I say,
yeah,
what do you say? Information Center do Diase, Yabua Brothers Information Center.
Yes.
Your brother and my Danasi, Yabua Brothers, senior, a chair, never be home. On my opportunity, no, Senka, when your message, you know what I said here, about one message, you know, spread it.
Okay.
But attack a corner so.
Oh!
Attack a year and a minute call free, Yasima.
Yabua Brothers.
Yabua Brothers Information Center.
Okay, Yanchel, now the woman said,
yeah.
I didn't hear you to be Abidjan. Why?
Omo, a command one is when your message in the broadcast. And Yama, Auntie,
attack a corner so message now of all broadcaster movie at TV.
Yeah, I saw for Chrome.
No, they can't. Only to me.
Minoka say your boy brothers and funny life. But
oh, yeah, after the show, Mr. Funny number, mammy, now you name Casa. Okay. Mamma Casa, no pastor.
Nobody can stop.
Has the right. Nobody. Munim say democracy word and omu Bible na mo kwa mo didi amanfo atem.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, ba didi obi atem. Ma wa answer eye omu ya say enipa ni bebie. Ghana for mu ntie o.
Yeah.
Asam na ya ka no. Se sofo bi timi kwa ba bi ka cho bi se ofanti onya ya. Hey!
Yeah.
Anso ampeso wa ni bebie.
Ya pese enyan ni bebie.
O ka che say yen na ya bunsam. Till you continue to be slave.
Yeah.
Of your house, mammy.
Now the match at the Asifon and I'm more when you're going to radio home.
Yantia Max.
Yeah, Betcha Maxi.
Dr. Lenny.
So, Lenny or Praso. I'm back on what? Peter, I'm a person. Masha Studio, a dumb life, Masha. Masha, Yantia Masha. I'm Masha, more person to get to an ammo who you fennel. Yeah, a Masha. What the open so Borasta, Comasha, why? Or Conongo. Channel Papa, Mr. Pamisafo,
Quan Coco Sport.
Double live or Quan Coco.
Yet, so we know Papa Michiano Wati. Oh, no, mammy. Never be do Mammy Bankuni be Wati.
No problem.
But many me pair Banku Brown.
No problem.
Me me pair Banku White. Me pair Banku Brown.
No problem.
Message then about today.
Penny Bako, Frita, Penny Mandela.
Mandela.
Michano. I'm gonna call her Fayana Atlantis.
Can we be yet here for no moon
movement, you know. Members are your movement, you know. Yes, someone a message, you know, a very delicate message, a very dangerous job. No craving here, yes, you na young person money better home, you know. No crank casa, and I say, Indian Casano, said the Yasin 24 years, no, and I send the Tiano, Nippano. Rodwana pese naka omo pese ka dom benya
no crow knowledge there enye nipa bia na obi that be knowledge here for few people
nti area simply for nyina abotaye kese ne say omo keep knowledge to themselves their generations
simple
now the masses no the majority no and fall under them
yeah
nti the concept in Christianity say oguanhwefo ba ko pe enwan bebre what you say
yeah
nti the onim nyansa no eye baako na the omo anim de no form no
emo ana aka ni na de akire
you understand a concept eno na mudi akire am wo mu no na yaka na nti nimde ne nyansa na say secret bebre wo a panifo bebre na amba madom nti no
yeah
ye mfa mamo o de make pani a di ko within the week ka kire me so fa adwuma mo fa to mu so yi enye adwuma keto o enka tetemre na kebeka say ya sato mo akon ni bi na mo fa to mu so mo bekon yi o because in this age in this time na what sorry say wo be biesa no kro ready any offer mo hwe mo so yi na enye mre ana me say opani ate
yesi asum bi amwom bi amumusa question nwoma na mo kan no question wom na mo ma dwani nya dwuma na mumusa
eti ya time no yeseretifo any movement ye omo mate ase mo be so yase na etimi en sustain time no na ye fatiches no en kosombra na me jobless din komo na se jobless enema bebre wo hono mo a ehinta bebre na nim nti so ya chase on time ku secret bi ni nema bebre ba ebeje wonsam buku de program na won kan no so for ekan ebeje ne collection wi a osikofie ne ko nyame ne monyam no enema wo mu a ye bebie ani a kire wa wonsi asole dem kora biem wo de wadwen babo wo bra yiem nye ne bone so nti yesra mu a bibia wo tie bia sa wo adwuma sa wo ni adwuma sa wo pepa sa wo boye no ye be sore ye numbers no ebetu ga
wo dabi bo number ni sisi
a wo send bibi de boye
so wo boy ni tua airtime no
0545
154
063
063
no ne ye opesa o send de boy adwuma di no
okay na so obi wa adwuma bi no opesa oni ye negotiation so
a bo ho de room on so a number you crab it ma fra na say
0545
yeah no 0554
22
40
92
ko fresa number no so a
eno so ye betimi ni wa
bia na gato de bia wo bia no de buy bo ho de room ama kama
okay baza
de sheba
akwaba
ya me joso
baby are free to say
abo ada daruma we get na akọ
minim say bibia e boko so ampa ka bibi che etiefo na ye toa kilopa the second letter so na ye wie na ye de aka to aso enti ka bibi che etiefo no omo a e follow movement no na omo meso yasene because CSF Ashanti page ne so amanfo hwe pa nti ye ntia omo amuhwe o CSF Ashanti page ne so no Dennis Asante I said now the message is spreading it's spreading and now I see we are on earth to serve each other of any criminal practice we are on earth to serve each other devoid of any criminal practice. Yes, sanity. We say we the Odi Dallas na Kofi Muhammad. I say 4 p.m. I'm Shatta watching you live from Konongo. If possible, this program need to be taught in and around roadside as the pastors do to spread the sense quickly. Okay, and also see Eguso. That are you and see we are taking over. Okay. That are you CSF Italy or share life Italy. Okay. That are you ya Nana Jose I mu hwe nso esisi anim ya Nana Jose Adaroma na nso esisi anim a ye adwuma na ye bra na ya nom kakra nti Nana Jose e bia wo bia no ye chia wo ye da wase ene o support a o de etachi ka bi kire etiefo no ma me
we de da ni ka mama like adofo de mo doso adofo doso be de da enche enkomo bia me am dofo ba ko na ta na nyame che yeah so ta na nyame che they also California critical like enche enkomo me che critical thinker mazi like a whole lot of people like medical adofo doso na odi share
nana
onim de
me ba to meet you
message na pie no most like we let's say like you're very proud of ourselves. Okay. Because you message, you know, a 26 religion. This message, CSF message is tormenting religion.
Okay.
See upon you, also I must say, Musabu.
Yes.
But the person Mom Chan said, nobody, no pastor, no imam can stop this message.
Okay. See how you're right here.
We have our right. If you are books,
yeah.
There's no compulsion in religion.
Yeah.
So the religion eba no CSF so asha se ye de enya religion na mom ye sip ma wani no ho enkofo bi e de nema bi abedaadan ye
se konfo bi ka to se brano doubles kama wa ma wani na ho na wo to 20 million o de se oboto ma and dan 8 million I saw the year juma
one time say blacks and penocret the moment to be just say oh bie unia black as the blacks and you know then your own people will not stand against you.
Yeah.
No wonder. Say at times you know. Oh, at times you know like for you as them can say even slave masters and buy you know. Young blacks here they torn. Yeah, who Emma Europeans.
Yeah.
Ebianio. Oh, sorry, oh, kind of create unia, black say unia, morning, phobi, ada here at channel. Your own people will stand against you. Also, much as here. But the Mama say nobody can stop this message.
Okay.
Because you got kingdom message that this is a kingdom message.
Okay.
This is a kingdom message.
Okay.
So they shouldn't try.
Okay.
They shouldn't try.
So I'm sponsor.
That is it.
Okay.
Okay.
Off you out.
Yeah.
Quickly, yes, here. Because
your time is
yeah, you mind, yes,
and then up here, maybe that
Kakra bi ni uncle. Why?
Remember she na mako Chibos Ventures.
Chibos Ventures.
Yeah, papa bako. O follow your program papa.
Okay.
Oko Chibos Ventures ubenya quality Italian tiles.
Okay, open tiles.
Open tiles.
O de be to ofie.
With them.
We da ye mo e dan you ho.
Baby a dan sie ho bibia open tiles there ye. Quality tiles from Europe, what I say.
Okay.
And tar cement and I don't see one yama biano.
Okay.
Who do Chibos Ventures?
Unsabekabi.
Unsabekabi. Omo number ni 0244 603580.
Okay.
Chibos Ventures.
Okay.
From
omo de ties ho ko adu.
Oh, kono woni ne portal masanti ache ne portal mu a omo ni Irabia Mines Junction haya.
Kono go Mines Junction
opposite High Tech Diagnostic Center ona.
Babia, okay.
Ties omo adusu e wo ho no. Anti do Chibos Ventures na kwati papa na fa told them na dem new ma come 0244603580 and on Chibos Ventures omo number offer obinyo na me bohwe na madu Abi curtains and bed sheets.
Okay.
Abi curtains
and bed sheets.
Yeah, curtains papa.
Esa wo say dem o say young guys here am obey.
Correct.
You are looking
CSF also the ewura dem oh.
Hey, now obi na dey aduma. Obi also a critical thinker.
Yeah.
Masa already dem you respect him.
Enkoto force beshit mesra yariaba COVID-19 ama system ni mo ehu.
Safe wo hu.
Pe store beshit quality one.
Me das.
Enye Irabia. For number we baby awo bia dodo bia onye bia ofre ya wonsabeka. Number ni 0554.
Because I'm never see papa de semon paneso.
Correct.
Correct. No one know be sa no be sra no. Never see papa be seso. What on papa? And papa be see basa bia ntoko. Ema no be ho be see ntoko de dem.
Won wo de pepper fa full slide. Ekope
ayi na tete. Wo da so 3 days anate. Me be see ba ku bi ya na me da so. E da mti me twi mu ofa ya. Me ya me nan kwa so we ya de. Oh.
Obenya say na COVID-19 class aka. Abrofo no omo chire ne hospital.
It is a pepper sheet papa. Any curtains papa.
Abi curtains.
So
number is 0554 224092. Ofra obenya
Abi curtains one.
Kono
akante besa. Okay. Ne number ni bi
0554
224092.
That will be as. And then monitor. Let it be a daddy. Yes, I said last week me call me na feedback say empanifo and I say amafo tie na be bria shock na ye new letter
e bi kra na you letter no nti my man say after then wa onia bia na we the number betu da free your personal na WhatsApp ya the best send o say who pen say ye print man so I be print am we are
here to serve you
ye mfa no crazy o me da say
na letter here letter King Leopold II and the Trodema missionaries na bra no mo ba Congo the year 1883 na letter na aliki na kwa letter ni efa so liki no na so fonte bonyu bi I say the truth
will reveal
what I say the truth can never be hidden into me fan okra no ensi e dey an okra no e be daddy into letter no kwa letter no fa so e daddy no opani bi the letter no e ne Bible mu no oton Bible no ma bibini bi a na ne din o letter nim ti e bo a bedu din no wa akra nti oton Bible no na man nti ono so ko ka Bible na no emu na letter ne she na letter no di elikiye na yeso enya bia kenkan awofo mo de ko school nti amode ko e no eho aduma na ye no ti enya bia kenkan na emu nsem no ana ema me kai letter wiwie no na me de toto Bible no ho no ana me ka se no ana Christo medan Muslim so medan sumbia medan me ankasa kra meti masom na me no direct o ma bra bom me yo
okay
it letter no pia me letter no ho no na se obabubo so ama na ma chechire atiefo
I think that you read the second part no
yeah
you read the second part starting from the second part
yes atiefo so mo follow yen follow yen obeyira obesim prekope na obibi say question free asase a ebe bibi e ho nti monko so follow ye every week ye ba Saturday ni asaba Sunday the Saturday anwumre ni 10 to 12 ni asaba Sunday 3:30 to 5 PM yanko
me start free first na last paragraph no.
Okay,
your action will be directed essentially to the younger ones.
Okay.
For they won't revolt when the recommendation of the priest is contradictory to their parents' teachings. The children have to learn to obey what the missionary recommends. Who is the father of their soul? You must simply insist on their total submission and obedience. Avoid developing the spirit in the schools. Teach the student to read, not to reason. There, dear patriots, are some of the principles that you must apply. You will find many other books which will be given to you at the end of this conference. Evangelize the niggers so that they stay forever in submission to the white colonies. So they never revolt against the restraints they are undergoing. Recite every day. Happier are those who are weeping because the kingdom of God is for them. First one, last paragraph. Let's see.
PM, your cano, baby, about kind in the top of Bomun say, Monko, Uncle Churchere, Omo, na Achirena Moko Church Romono, Monchire and Mofrano, and Mammo Mumu, Monchire Chiremone, addition Muno, Mumo Mumu said, they be a monka and Chiromo, and Shirano more here for Namuna Mubena Assassin, no dear, and Shirano more here for Modia, and Shirano more at it, Mone. Iti monka we nkyere omo ama omo tiri mu nya omo de hu se atete ya omo komu na ipokra no enye hwe dabi omo a omo asase papa bi wo soro ye de e enjoy iti se wo hwe a abibiman ya ma ya ka ekire awie na metie program metie asofo ya omo sori yi omo kire se sika nye empesika ejapade ni nyina ya huhude ya ma bibiman ka ekire no ejapade eyahuhude ho ahwani eyahuhude sika enye yebeja hoko asamando ahuna bebre iti bibini kula yere no ho padum aye aduma piska enche ekire we no mu bu na bam se de be a yere wo nya adwumaden piska na se mpejapade bi nti na ma bibiman ka ekire na se ejapade ni sika nya ade tire ye ma mpanifo mpani abedi animi ekọ amahodo so kopa bosia basa o de be ye o man ni yi na mpanifo aye Christian councils aye Christian mpanifo mo sensan krata se ma kwan se ma mpani enko je sa bosia yi mra sa mo ti sika ni ade nye mo bi ni hia na ni ewu ko heaven.
Okay, to so ma me yes am o share live o Facebook kwa CSF Ashanti 0542917041 0542917041 odo text message e fa wa WhatsApp ana text message odo fa wa ye be kenkan e de amount o hwe o Facebook so CSF Ashanti oba o leave message a comment kama enya tem didie yesere mu enya tem didie oba no wa share na onua bi nso a owo ba bi na onya bi atie King Leopold the second of Belgium ne letter out of command missionaries eba colonial missionaries eba Congo 1883 Badru the second letter second one yango convert always the blacks by using the hip.
Okay. Abribia no se mo chechire omo a ono ona so be din ana wona won pese obeje to especially mpanifo na omo di omamamre mu no mo chechire omo be din se omo beje tum nso abribia no mo fa ebro eti nyawa din se Methodist ni Pentecost na Anglican na wo mu no omo baaye no omo ba Ghana ha no ana omo ba bibima sa aseso no omo ba no fala sa wo pa be join o pa join ni baby Monfa ehye
en fan se wo mo
opompo Yesu abi wajo
eso jitum
yes opompo monfa ehye o ta sa ekremosun so sa to asoma me pia
rehusen keep Metwaso, I say,
Mhm.
keep their women in 9 months of submission
Okay.
to work freely for us.
Mhm.
Force them to pay you in sign of recognition goats,
Yeah.
chickens, chicken or eggs every time you visit their village.
Okay. Pastor?
And make sure that niggas never become rich.
Okay.
Think every day that it's impossible for the rich to enter heaven.
Debia nkyerɛkyerɛ deɛ ɔkae yɛ na deɛ ɔkae mede bɛtwe mu a ne tɔfa bɔ no monkɔɔ mo nkyɛn mokɔɔ mo nkyɛn a abere biara no moma ɔmo mfa
nkokɔ bi nkosua ɛbɛrɛ a mobɛkɔ hɔ biara no mobɛkɔ hɔ kuro mu biara no
moma ɔmo fa nsɛfo mo fa nso mo na de biara no mo ne ɔmo di nkɔmɔ moma ɔmo hu sɛ sika koraa no so ni mfasoɔ
ɔmo san se yɛn ɔmo ma yɛn mmaa no ɛnyɛ adwuma ma ɔmo abosome kono
ɛnso ɔmo abere biara
keep their women in 9 months of submission to work free for us.
Yes.
Onye adwuma ma ɔmo free.
Si nneɛma na ɔmo ni bi deda ne ade free ɛkɔtɔ bi anim.
Slavery paa.
Afei mu ne ɔmo wɔ hɔ no abere biara no mo recite ɛnyɛ mo ano kasa de bia mo ka kyerɛ ɔmo hyira ne ho mo ahiafoɔ.
Ɛden masikani. So ɔbɛkɔ soro ahemam.
Nti ɛyɛ bi man no.
Ɔbɛkɔ paneɛ tokuro sɛ dɛ David.
Mmerɛma yoma sɛ ɔbɛfa paneɛ tokurom sen sɛ ɔdefoɔ bɛkɔ soro ahemam asɛm wei in actual sense no who is sikania there is no way abɛkɔ heaven. Who yoma?
Dabi.
Donkey. Me fa ne sɛ donkey.
Yeah.
Paneɛ tokuro ma de pama bi.
Ontimi nkom.
Esina ontimi. Ɔse mmerɛma paneɛ mmerɛma yoma sɛ ɔbɛfa saa tokuro wim sen sɛ ɔdefoɔ bɛkɔ soro ahemam. Nti mo ma ɔmo sɛ sika koraa so ni mfasoɔ. Sɛ de bɛyɛ ɔmo bɛpo ɔmo sika kɔkɔ ɔmo te so no. To asoma me.
Make them pay tax each week at Sunday mass. Use the money supposed for the poor to build flourishing business centers.
Okay.
Institute a conventional system which allow you to be good detectives.
Okay.
Denouncing any black that has a different conscientiousness contrary to that of the decision maker.
Okay. Teach
the niggas to forget their heroes and to adore only ours.
Okay. And na o yeshe program na se na wo bo no. O bo Abraham be Moshe kan. Yekọ Bible ni ma kan ni bia di nim. Agbeni bia di nim.
Ba ye Abraham mo ni Moses mo ni.
Abofo wo mu nyina bibini bia di nim. Omu nyina ya abrofo nko. Eti mo nko kyerɛkyerɛ omu. Na mo omu hu se. Mo omu remfi omu heroes. Omu konji o masase no. Mo omu remfi omu.
Hey!
No mo nyi de be ka kyerɛ omu no.
Kofo tirimo den.
Nti enei. Nipa bebree bi man nipa bebree. Owo ya no the Bible mu din ato ne ba.
Christian name. We see a black man for us from Frederick.
Simple. What you say? Me am te ye wo me a is a friend Emmanuel.
Me so say Mami Bernard.
Mo eti obi a obi. Eti yankwa no ne ne mbisa say abara no for no.
Why the friend ko cooking top?
Mo owusu ya kyerɛkyerɛ me hwen.
Kwajo ben.
Eye slave masters no. Omo de this anyama wi. E betete. PM to aso ya bere ni swap.
Even in our schools, so all the Kwame Nkrumah picture too. Now all the Jesus Christ picture too. Not offer one of the students. So like Ombet said why me are. Ombet said this is Jesus. But Obi said why me are. Oh this is how far black has been brainwashed. And so teach them to forget
their heroes. Adore only ours.
This is an example. They have made Africans have forgotten their heroes.
Mama, you're
every year schools, American schools. A Muslim the history of Kwame Nkrumah.
Yes,
Antoa, Konforochi. Like, Mama say, especially like Kwame, but they never Kwame Nkrumah. They went to a book Konforochi. Hey, I adore This is how far black man has been brainwashed. How is speaking? Hey, yo. Black man.
St. Paul who?
Come on. She characters Abraham, Noah. I mean, what? I can proudly say that none of them existed. They are all invented characters.
Okay.
They are invented characters, but we have accepted these people to God. Because heroes.
And you fear
Yeah,
dear. On a boy, couldn't tell you my easy home. Because Ukon Cranfua and Cranfua, on a boy almost.
Yeah, I'm heroes.
I'm heroes.
Before
I want dear. I want dear. I want dear.
We're feeling now.
And I
be Isaac,
Moses, Jeremiah,
Muhammad,
Silala, Alekum, Rasul, Lala.
one can be a what tomorrow. And then I make use your sentence. Yeah, also Nigeria, or a gospel singer said, Wakoto, I said, Islam. Your sentence to death.
This is how far black has been washed.
Never present a chair to a black that comes to visit you.
Say blacks never be sramwa. One more makunya.
And Tanaso, oh, you know, let be a woman, you know what? Hey, don't give him more than one cigarette. Never invite him for dinner. Even if he gives you a chicken every time he arrives at his house.
Yeah. Just said that your said, Mama money. Omuba mufia. Oma na cigarette krama na eba kope. Cigarette oma na ba kope. Ono no jija so ko ni fie okuma ponche mi nkosu ama ono ba wo fie ma na kunya. What you say?
Onu aduane kra men frɛ no
Debi.
Akwa
de na me de faso na obenya free so apart from soma obeso. Pia to asoma me.
The above speech which shows the real intention of the Christian missionary journey in Africa was exposed to the world by Mr. Mwakwani Mukani Bukoko.
Yeah. Do you know what remember his name?
Mr. Mwakwani Mukani Bukoko.
Yeah.
Born in the Congo in 1915.
Yeah.
And who in 1935 while working in the Congo bought a second-hand Bible from a Belgian priest who forgot the speech in the Bible. Dr. Chidozie Okoru.
Yeah, you okay? Me society for Atias. Remember, you all are through Kuala Bemia, Broford, and you know, the Brinatias, and the Bapia. Quite and I'm so let APN and Okano.
Okay.
You pay our bone, the Congolese name, our boy, or Penibia, or Tor Bible, no, a free Belgian priest to be home.
Mr. Mwakwani Mukwani Bukoko.
Good. Or no Tor Bible, free.
Yawono 1915.
Yeah, or Tor Bible, no.
And 1935. Now, or Juma. I Congo, and or second-hand Bible.
A free
Belgian priest. I a friend. Dr. Chidozie Okoru.
Addition one, we will let a woman let her know about out. It's not for Bumuno. A percent Mamu say religion and war be mamma, say a Muslim soon, say a Christosum, yes, Ramo, and no Doman Kuma and a Demai. Before I assume we I would do we ever be Mamma. They were harder that away and say, yeah. Namso, a day assume Uchadian Pono. Asante for one dear, and before one dear, one pussy for one dear, and can for one dear, Ubia one dear. I want a mamma in a manium, and Yaboni, or Domancuman Casse, and go forward and some almost some bon Samitino, me or Domancuma, me Wolfuntino, may show us here you have no more. On to Sacosi Bruni, a bias sitting them. Now, or pair set with Naya Hupine. Now, ought to me a dear, so a chichayamu, a dear, soon Tino. And what this house who go at the buy. So, missing and no more purpose until the buyer and the wallet you more I can kind. They say you be rubber booming, they have to say, and you no press, and I say, any acopel letter be free, baby, I buy back any part.
Yeah, the rubber boom, say, yeah, can and press. And I say, yeah, Bessie, a damn cross. I got month for it's the beer, it's Nasia, Yan, your cousin, me say, me offer the baby and the casse. Yamia. Also enquire so no. I will never worship a God who tolerates or who allows one man to take another as slave.
I will never worship that God. It's a Christopher Nyame, a Muslim for Nyame. Me Nyame Bible no. Me spending the 1 minute crowd. There be the and be mine. Sign up. We know the boss on your assassin. No, the boss on your assassin. Pierre Bianco Bible ni. Mama Bible mu Nyame no. And our Bible mu we no. O man ya woman kan de ho asem ni na. Israel. Enti ye ko Bible no mu a. Ye nko ready e Bible no makwan. E wo nkwadwo mu no. Ye nko omo a Bible no timi kire se omo nya nkwa. Ene omo a Bible no timi kire se omo de omo nya nkwa. Na eno no firi wa. Uboku Bible no kura oni yi. Okay. Be Deuteronomy chapter 20 verse 10 mama.
Deuteronomy 20:10. I say Deuteronomy nwoma no eti aya duenu. Ni yimu edu no. I say sa wo ben kuro bi. Okay. Nim wasi sa wo ben kuro bi ne no rekoko a. Ka asundue sem kire no. Na sa obuawo asundue so na ohini wo a. Oman a ubehu won no. Oman a ubehu won ho yei won hon yi tuoma. Sorry, my main can ye bra na. Yasem. So ben kuro bi ne no rekoko a. Ka asundue sem kire no.
Say Israel man be kuro bi no mo kokko a. Israel man kan kire kuro no say hey ya ba ye ne mo be ko saranda. Say wo ti ase na so mo saranda. Israel man no enfo mo nyenkwa. Fasoma me.
Na se obuawo asundue mu asundue so na ohini wo a. Oman a ubehu won ho no inyi to ma wo nsom no. Na se one wu ani asundue sem na one wo ku a ene tuakro no. Na se Awurade wu Nyankopɔn be hye wo nsa a fa nkrante bobo emu merema nyina
Israel for ka kire o se yaba ye be fa mo ayem nkwa na so mo te ase
o ka no boko
esaranda de a mo nyi o mo to na o mo nyam nkwa na so mo ka se de bi
ye
se ye te ase ye nyam hwe na ye den na mo be fa ye nkwa de a ene mo ne o mo emfa enyem na mo kum to aso ewo
na se one wo ani asundue sem na one wo ko a ene tuakro no na se Awurade wu Nyankopɔn de hye wo nsa a fa nkrante bobo emu merema nyina nanso ma ne mofra ne afieboa ne de
onkum merema ma ne fieboa ne mofra nyina to so
o se nanso ma ne mofra ne afiaboa ne de ewo kuro no mu nyina emu asade nyina de fomfa
fari nyina
na di watamfo asade a Awurade wu Nyankopɔn de ama wo no nto aso sana ye nkuro a ene wo ntem kwan ware pi a enye amanaman yi nkuro bie no na amanaman yi nkuro a Awurade wu Nyankopɔn de rema wo se diso no mu die ma biribiara a ehumi nyina nkwa
ma bibiara ehumi nyankwa
ma bibiara a ehumi nya nkwa
kuni nyina
na esew na sei won pasa
na sei won pasa bia e tase se mamu se enwoma we no e Israel for enwoma omunyame ene ne nsem ene wo nwoma we mu what you say eti wo ga de bia kra mu se asori da manu ma moto eda Yehowa ne mai no etwa epo no rusi beba Israel ade na nka se rusi beba Ghana ade na wo ka se rusi beba to
so de sha wa enye
de bi nyame we ni Israel fo nyame a wo ma pama daka na hwe omo na eye omo boso na omo de na mo no ne ko asem na wo we mu
Israel fo nko a
omo nyame no se ye jetum kwa se we nyame a we Israel fo dia
ena wiase nyina
bi because ka mika 45 say amane mu bia e wo ni nyame it Israel fo nyame na omo chiro no ho asem na Israel fo nyame a wo ga na ni
o se mika say
mika 45
so ma yen kan na obi ameka say wa go Mika chapter 4 verse 5
yeah
na aman no mu biara nante ni nyame din mu na yɛn die
yɛn ni ehefo yɛn Israel die
yɛbɛnante awurade yɛn nyankopɔn din mu daadaa
simple ɔmo die na ɔmo atwerɛ ne ho asɛm nti ɔmo no din mu na ɔmo bɛnante pm yɛn kɔ Deuteronomy 24 chapter 24 verse 7 mama
Deuteronomy 24 verse 7
yeah
7 no ɔse sɛ uhunu obi a owia ne nomum
sɛ uhunu obi a
owia ne ho nomum Israelfoɔ mu nipa bie a odi no nya anaasɛ ɔtɔn no a ɛneɛ owifoɔ no mu
tie deɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkyerɛ wɔ ni sɛ uhunu obi a wɔwia Israelni atɔn na deɛ wɔwia Israelni no onwu
ana nesa sɔfoɔ ne si yɛ Israelfoɔ anya sa na sɔfoɔ ka sɔm si yɛ Israelfoɔ ɛne abrɔfo na esi ekum wɔn
wanya wo yɛ Israelni kɔɛ
na ne sa na sɔfoɔ ne ka
to asoma me pm
afɔ ya asɛma mi ka ite sa na sɔfoɔ
ne sa no mo ka
yɛ asɛmu ɔse sɛ uhunu obi a owia ne nomum Israelfoɔ mu nipa bi na odi no nya anaasɛ ɔtɔn no a ɛneɛ owifoɔ no mu na yi bɔne no firi mu
okay to aso
hwɛyie kata yadeɛ ho na wahyɛ ayɛ sɛdeɛ asɔfoɔ lewifoɔ no bɛkyerɛ mo no nyinaa pɛpɛɛpɛ
ɔde ɔka ɔde ɔkyerɛ no Israel ni deɛ yɛntɔn no na deɛ ɛwɔ sɛ yɛtɔn no no yɛnkɔ Leviticus 24:19
Leviticus
24:19
Leviticus 24:19 no ɔse Leviticus 24:19 ɔse na deɛ opira ne yɔnko nipa no sɛdeɛ ɔyɛyɛ no ɔnyɛ no saa ara ebuo nsi ebuo anamu ani nsi ani anamu ɛsen nsi ɛsen anamu sɛdeɛ opira a onipa no saa ara na ɔnyɛ no na deɛ okum afiaboa no onsi no anamu na deɛ okum onipa no onku no atamuo korɔ na da hɔ ma mo ɔhɔhoɔ nyɛ sɛ okuromani
pm alensem
na me ne awurade
ɛnyɛ hɔ na me no but me nua no matena se na mo maba mu
okay
me de ma no si no de pese me kyerɛ ma tiefo ɛte ase ne sɛ asɔre ɛwɔ abimam ha na asɔre ɛwɔ Ghana ha ɛnyɛ wadwen sɛ efiri nyame
okay
ye slave masters no
ɛne bae
na ɔmo bae no baabi ɔna slaves ne gu no ye slaves ne gu ɛfɔm na ɔmo ho ɛkyerɛ ɔmo ɛwɔ Elmina Castle Cape Coast Castle ɛwɔ Cape Coast Castle Elmina Castle hɔ no slaves ne gu fɔm no na ɔmo ɛyɛ asɔre wɔ soro na saa nipa wi aka kyerɛ ɛde nwoma bro ne atwerɛ gu nwoma nim da ɔyɔnko sɛ wo ho na da ɔyɔnko sɛ wo ho a na ɔde ne nua ahyɛ fɔm na ɔno no ɛhyɛ soro na ɔyɛ wi ɔsɔ nyame ansɔre ɛwɔ Ghana ha Anglican slave trade for ya na de bae Roman Catholic slave masters ya na bɛteyɛ Presbyterian ɔmo a na bɛteyɛ Methodist ɔmo a na bɛteyɛ emu na ɛne yanomfo hu sɛ no ade no business ka wom na ɔmo atem pasa no bia tam speaker ti kom no bia so ofiri ase esraw asom asɔre ɛsom religion Islam Christianity
okay
mfiri nyame
okay
e nipa hodo na de bae
okay
na before so ɔmo de bɛba no na yɛ kura yɛ som wɔ ha se a na yɛ som na brɛ kom no yɛ bɛ kyekye mama wate ase mama me nuanom abam kakra
okay yɛbɛto aso me kanfo Maria Guest House da ma wo ufiri baabi na eba opɛ baabi ada uduru kɔ no ho a da baabi asomdwe wɔ nkɔda baabi a choka ntontom mpa bi okra da so atwe mesrew Maria Guest House opɛ baabi abɛda anya somdwe obɛsɔre anopa na wɔ ahode a Maria Guest House yɛ wɔ da papa yɛ wɔ mpapa wɔ hɔ bra bɛda na ho ntɔw ɛhɔ yɛ save akromfo sem ne ade bia ne wɔ nkɔda baabi ade bɛtene awia mesrew for any children Maria Guest House, your Konomo Akanche Bessa. The Bia Baby are the numbers na free 0554 23 3115 0554 233 115 0554 233 115 na Maria Guest House ebeje so we obi a opese ususu asase opese o draw plan papa bi na usifi papa ne srawen ha ho wate eye Levelsman architectural consult na make am for the amount fa wasase no bla be fa yen be bi asase no obi a no e be kwa kosusu e the amount e we be draw plan kama e be ma obi bia bi wom be so be sit down wie no na say bia ya dan de wo start a e asase no wan hyase ni yia masa wo be wie no no anu ho misraw wasi awie no wo pese e paint maw e jow paint collect wo de ane so be friend Levelsman architectural consult ye je nkwala e kire nkwala adwuma ntima ne hawo ba bia wo bia wo pese wo sua wo de ane se wo be friend ba bia wo bia friend de me ye adwuma ne maw e 0541 37 4442 0541 374 442 Ofe Levelsman architectural consultant obeje oso make am for Peacemaker Electricals na ede amount Mr. Wasi da na wie Levelsman abe drop plan na ye bibia ma am wasi da na kama ese we no obi obe wo ya da na amount ba for obi aban ama ni tumi obi obetima adimit amount Mr. Peacemaker Electricals ye wo ya da na amount unya problem they have current ni ade no be mother Mr. Abayama ni tumi into we out mi gina so agi meter amount into ni problem Peacemaker Electricals o ya kwada na o pese usua na onyansa no adwuma ye gye nkwada o ba nso ayo ba bi a obeda nti wo ni problem o de an so be frɛ empanifo e wo ahoma we so me pa cha Peacemaker Electricals ye wo Konongo Freetown DSP Road ye ne Lady Dana fee no ene di enhwe animu frɛ Peacemaker Electricals e wo ahoma we so 0244 154 720 0244 154 720 na Peacemaker Electricals ebeje so mesrawo shatade pa pobi no on siesie wate so no odofo ba be ware a mo nhyɛ African wear mo am ware ni ade no mo nhyɛ African wear kokali handiworks mo siesie no odofo no ebi a obakra kan ho abesa on de oye bibia o obema watade ama mpaboa we obi a woni gye bag ho a obema bag eyeye ya ha empaboa papa na wo pa ko ade de tu yensa na ekom a enha wo ho Kali Handiworks na Kali Handiworks be ye ubi bia ma kama osiesie aba ho ayefe ahonfe de e wo Kali Handiworks frɛ no 0546 563828 0546 563828 Kali Handiworks osiesie wa ma ho ayefe papa boza
Odeshewa
fa krasa tsunami
sa pepe
Leopard the letter no
straight talk so what here like Zakata ya talk about missionaries in Congo in the year 1883 like and you can say this is a slavery letter oh yeah a team akuma pai always convict the blacks by using a whip
almost almost chire amunyisu aba
a whip we no a major point I bet you say this is one of the these two religions both Islam and Christianity so at the building
okay
because to we have over 80,000 religions but over here Africa see they didn't Christianity and Islam and everyone that yeah I'm who just so I'm not say no matter yeah ni aba no umpo obejiatu and then we prove from the Quran side the Quran 9 verse 29
Quran 9
verse 29
Quran 9 29
enye easy religion nipa wa be enslave ewie okono or the book eja for Bible if ba Quran o na waka so uwu a ono wa be for bibia no na waka so se uwu a owochi one nim owochi
Quran 9 ayat 29 going on. I say, fight against such of those who have been given the scripture and believe not in God nor the last day.
That is it. Fight against those who have not believed in the scripture. And then who are they? The Christians.
Yeah, fight against such of those who have been given the scripture.
A Christian for no. And to move for a fight against them. This is one of the ways that, like, religion, especially
Hey! Fight against them.
Fight against them. This same Quran, as I said, there's no compulsion in religion.
Yeah.
Somebody make it meaning to move and your force. Why fighting against me? So the person more like others such as said, these two books, both the Bible and the Quran, and slave masters and the prayer. And they had an agenda. To enslave Africans. They are most of us that's Portuguese, Dutch, and British.
But Arabs and so by
somewhere in the 7th, 9th, 11th century. About from somewhere 1960. As long as slavery ever from.
Yeah.
Ever a man I also. So be a Quran 4 verse 24.
Quran 4:24.
Now here a point out. We are a man.
And all the married women are forbidden to you, except those captives whom your right hands possess.
That is it. A man of my there. That's what envy that neighbors for no. A man of my there.
Yeah.
Nemo Omwa and Quano.
Yet, chill among quiet,
Prophet Muhammad. Or Safia. No, Safia, no, or a captive. No, a don't war, no, or captain.
Hey!
Sabia, Sena, Quran 4 Horma, 92 93.
Quran 4 ayat 92 and 93.
Slavery best. Books your slave masters and the bread.
I say, it is not for a believer to kill a believer.
So we Cremonia. And Cremoni Kumuni. By mistake.
Unless it be by mistake.
That is by mistake to us.
He who has killed a believer by mistake must free.
That is it. Until what about from our Cremoni? That's a quarrel.
I must set free a believing slave
That is it.
and pay the blood money to the family of the slave,
You see?
unless they are remit it as a charity.
You see? Wait, Cremoni. I just said by mistake.
By your own queen. Now I am day.
So say that here. So is this the word of God? A God who is always interested in killing.
But thank you, Satan.
But can't kill Satan. A God who is always interested in killing. But look, how will you convince me by telling me that this is the word of God? Like me, Quran 9 there's not more kind. WhatsApp status. Can we so is this in the Quran?
No, leave that.
On him that. And I'm saying this is about. Quran 9 fight against the who do not believe in Allah. If men of them don't believe in Allah, why fighting against me? These are the books. Yes, massive books. When they hear say with all this, Nankopon and trust with all this, in Yamasa way, like I say,
We must go for revenge to do to the white people. They have cheated on us, deceived us, and equal as niggers and negro. Nonsense. Shine your eye, black man. Kofi Kwache Jase. Revenge nani? Revenge nani? I can't just say Mawani na ho.
Revenge.
Anyway,
They came.
Because I say I'm fat to me.
They enslave us physically. I mean, enslave them mentally.
Yeah. Let's say most religious people believe they are created them kind. Slavery in the Bible, Leviticus chapter 25, verse 35. Reason and question.
Oh, okay. Because I feel now.
25, Okay.
So,
Uh-huh.
books when you
Books
only
no.
the number of like from Africa 60,000 sorry 60 million trips.
Hey!
60 million
And kwa
60 million. Now out of 60 million, no, only the number of strips they could do. Out of 60 million, no, 12 million could do it. The question is, where were the others? Whether you know better or not. One make no more. Master, this master, we more from the to know. I am to say, oh, you put the Bible and this so our program.
no crap.
The best thing it is about time for us to throw this. Make us say, "What you be na bo bra." Because so we to me, the best thing I put there. And trust I do in the moment. It is my books when you come to change. My bra. It's as simple as that.
Okay.
Onyankopon entro book bia. But the Quran was invented by Prophet Muhammad. The Bible was invented by Jews and the Greeks. It's as simple as that. Onyankopon entro bia. Then you go say, oh, God is not an author of any book. All the books were being written by man. It's as simple as that.
Medasi. Levels. Fabisos mami na ni owo te he ni asem Fabisos mami wa ni so.
Yeah, amaka green ni kasante.
Yanko.
Wo medasi. Amaka na metiamere aho because abrofo no de minim de ana ha bibini ana se bibini diabroni di ba ya eyemfa so ma no nti ama ni refi can't say like ya the dom de share ye nananom
Yeah.
It's a new refi ama ni refi sa ya no.
Yeah.
But on they are bringing the buy here a favor no let it be our kai and I'm kasa broni no broni beba wade a or the first one beba papa second one beba papa third one I say ade bia so ne prince aso no ko na nanum di asema ye ne prince aso
Yeah.
the ade bia ban prince aso we say they are careful to achieve be nyim say papa I na bro for DBT and the first one the second one third one in your papa and you wouldn't say oh we the nyama papa pa
Okay.
afi dey ben you are no the boga na bro but you
Okay.
I na bro for DBT and you all the card urban or the nyama papa bi abre say aye fun aye ka antini you dey be convince and you wouldn't say ye kabro ni asema obi gian ha kra no opeso oto twede mpo
Eno de ye ka say ye hwe hu ye wa phone de no.
Obi ti tutu question na okay na phone na use no ha na ye.
Man ye. Ye say ye nsua de ye. Ye woni ma mebre wa investors ni they were blacks. So woni mu a. Ni patuntum na di kan ye ka o. One day you come on history. Mo be feel it.
Nanti one ye, nanti one ye.
Mo be nsua de ye. E wo say me say your inventions mebre wa e blacks na ye. What did I make at all? Meme say so be catch wa inventions mebre. I'm not here to name them, but one day you be programs. You be program wa you be chire blacks invention o man ye. Mo be say your friends say masha type boy because say blacks we don't believe in ourselves. Your problem no. Because I mean here say abeka be ye.
Yeah.
Bro ni ya technology. Ya Ghana ni akwala wa ye generator. Mumusa se Ghana mpanifo. Why na akwala kwa no? Eso oso akwala na se.
Afo minimum.
Apostle kwa Joseph. No oye nipa ni 3 weeks say dey o. Na mo na chi ti sa brofo dey egu na chi o. But I am how a blacks ye CTNT. Se papa na anya no ho sa. Enti mama papa de pese oye no ho ti se oye broni. Aso nya broni. Me share ni video bi 90s. Black our trying down cut.
Yeah.
But if you know how na be so ebroni.
Me say papa ya fertilizer.
So anya no ho sa why fertilizer e bi ko onu ma hu.
Eti utimi nom.
Utimi nom hu. E kwasa se ma masase na hoden. Yes anya e bi akota brofo de e nemre kura mfi. Emre kura mfi. Munusuma adwen. Mama dwene nya juma.
Na tetina na ina nanom de efam ye fridge no. Ne ho an betimi de fam.
Ene yemfa ko bia o ye wie ne asamrazi asem.
Na betimi de efam ye fridge. Because tetino se ukọ fom na onu muso na edika na ene ntimi a ututu fom.
Ansa kwasi broni aye fridge. Mo de sa nye ne ye fridge. Kwasi broni na ye fridge. Emu nso ye de enu. Ya na nan mo ye kula ahina. Ya probo nya ni o. Kula ahina. Ya probo nya ni we. Unim that one important of Iowa. And that's any day. A say duro.
Yeah.
And to chuma no na utwi fra.
Etano so ye.
Etano so ye bia ye duro.
Enti de mo na uti na etano so ye we good.
Adai Africa. And the one to indomie ama obi a o ma na aduane ni.
Oyare.
I say fried rice. Misramu.
Soche.
Misramu pa. Na wo a ewu ntam no. Yanya de akum ya ho. Ena obi na akum ya yo. He broni ni de mu a ye roba brew. Wa je nya duma. Ntu akoto odi. Shakukọ force ye kra na da ya bodam. Are you mad? Ye tia won sase ye ntimi nya nkukọ. Na me kra mani fradi. Ukọ obi afi a owo nkukọ be 20 30. Na oti ha. Na wo se to akukọ force. Akukọ ya importo every obi krom. Na wo to. Wo ba akukọ.
Oyare na wu you.
No. Hey, I think sir there is something wrong with the brain of the black man.
Enye no na ya sori se ye be psyche a. Enti adwuma ya fato ye ho so.
Enu ntini ya wa ha.
Enu ntini ya wa.
Enti
Mu so ya se. Na
Mo sponsor ye sramo. Mo sponsor ye time mi sponsor ye ntuma vacos. Ye time aso. Ai.
se ni pa ya odi sa anyama we nyina abre o ya. Ne wa ginadi. Ono a sa fe sa be ka cho se. Ono no nyame no ye den. Eye sonku bia o se we den. Ode wani mo nyama ye den. Better ne. Oya se. Enso Bible is na atre se o man bia o nyame. Enti o man bia o nyame na tintina chin Israel nyame a o se tintina chin. Menti o ma se.
Yeah, simple.
Uko kan we nyama ni.
Yeah, simple.
Ana mane so de benyanya.
Okay.
Because ade a odi ye me a mempe no. Men nyere tintina for so de be for so ma ji ana se ma ye.
Okay. Okay.
Because there's no adwene na so ma adwene. Ana me ma adwene na me kura no. Better than whole day no. Because me ma adwene e give me to a better place.
Okay.
Well, adwene you know say you do to a better place but you mean say follow down.
Yeah.
Obanyanse ni ntie ni ye. No fantu na adwene.
Okay.
No tu anamo.
Okay, soon le peba or live Facebook was why late and power late by time na so. Sorry. Fuseni moko and Fuseni moko. I say CSF babies with sharp teeth. Quran not marriage. Okay. Yeah, they said the move car with I am found. Okay. But levels can we check your listeners about the sponsors of your time now?
Oh, the can say you see the aka na
next week your month na so. Na say your credit in phone.
Yeah, more.
Na you say next month na be sign dey. Ato aso.
And the best more.
Okay.
Here more sponsors.
Okay.
Kitwa bi ensa.
Okay.
Yen ka se fase bi fase.
Who adwuma nso a fabra na mo the room.
Ya da akoma so. Say the akoma no e kire na say odeba. Nemum enye de nipa na eden. E for so say fabra.
Okay. O number e bia na obi.
My number is 0541
0541
37
37
44
42. Okay. Levels man e tell nkan no. But yeah, brother, so I'm sorry.
I can't say slavery, no. Like Abraham said, this is the time they can't enslave us physically. The way like enslave us,
yeah.
So the best thing we can say, they will enslave us mentally. And I like
go wouldn't say no much chese kan I will be.
That is it.
How much tu I will be.
That is it.
How far by will be.
Oh, fight against me, I'll fight against you. There's a certain this verse in the Quran.